And also, let me give you a quick tour of the Firebase console. So I'm going to switch back over to Firebase. So at the top here, you have your project overview. I'll click into it. This gives you a snapshot of your project, including what plan you're on and how many apps you have. Down here, you can see a quick look at your current reads and writes. So if you ever need to check how your app is performing, this is the first place to look. Underneath that, on the left, you have your settings. This is where you'll find things like your billing information, integrations, service accounts, and user permissions. You probably won't need to touch this often, but if you ever need to manage anything on the account level, it's all right here. Underneath this, you have what's new. Firebase shows you new features and updates. Below that, you'll have your project shortcuts. These are the tools that we've used throughout this video. In our case, we visited Firestore, Authentication, and Storage. So those are showing up here. You'll visit these 3 tabs the most often. And then all the way at the bottom, you have your product categories. This includes databases and storage, security, AI services, hosting and serverless, DevOps and engagement, and analytics. The ones here at the bottom are more advanced, and you'll only really visit the databases and storage and security tabs.